Let's learn numbers. Let's count from number 1 to number 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We will now learn how to identify numbers. Let's count backwards from number 20 to number 1. This is the number 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to my channel for more educational video for kids. Please subscribe to this channel. Hit that like button also. Remember, educational video for kids are uploaded regularly.